So here the value of A is not the printer. Correct. And after 9, when it is updated 10 here inside the loop, it is coming out of the loop as the condition is not satisfied and it is false. It will jump out of for loop. Right. Are there any other programs that you can think and we can try? So there is something called as prime number. Okay. Prime number will give the range also. Okay. So what is a prime number basically?
A number which is divisible by one and number itself.
Hmm.
A prime number is nothing but a number which is divisible by one
Hmm.
and number itself.
Divisible by 2 and itself. Is it?
No, ma'am, divisible by one and number itself.
Every number is divisible by 1. All numbers are prime?
I am. So we'll check except one, we'll check the other things, ma'am, in program.
No, actually, can you Google out and check what is the definition of prime number? Prime number means it should be divisible by 2 and itself. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number actually. Okay, so we are going to check if you take a number, say for example, 7 is there. Okay, so we'll check if it is divisible by 2 and then 3. Okay, and then 4 and so on like this. Okay, until 7. Right. So if it is divisible by itself and only the number 2, then we'll say that it is a prime number. Right. So let's declare the variables. Okay. So we need
int a is equal to 7. Int a is equal to 7. And we are going to count the number. Count is equal to 0. So,
okay.
Semicolon for loop for int for int j is equal to j is equal to 2 semicolon j is less than or equal to a minus 1 semicolon j plus plus open curly braces if a modulus by j if a modulus by j equal to 0 then go inside open curly braces count increase count plus plus semicolon.
One second. Okay. Yes.
Come out of the loop now. Like for loop.
Okay.
If count is equal to 0, if count equal to 0, open curly braces system.out.println syso control space syso control space and prime number within double quotes prime number.
Okay.
Else come out of the loop else not a prime number. Open curly braces syso
not a prime number. Okay. First, let's see what's happening, and then we will execute. A equal to 7 is a prime number. Count is the count that we will count, like how many times it is divisible by a given number. So from where to where we are counting? From 2. Okay, here the j value will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because less than or equal to 7.
No,
is it?
We are not going to do with the 7 now. So we are taking a
minus 1 is there. So, okay. Yeah. Till 6 we are doing. Okay. So, 2 to 6, a plus plus. And when we divide a value is not changing here. 7 divided by either 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. If it is divisible by any of the numbers anytime, then it will give the remainder 0. And we'll update the count as like adding one more number to the existing count 0. Okay. Initially count is 0. Correct. So for 2, 7 is not divisible. 3 also, 4 also, 5 and 6 also. Correct. But yeah. Okay. So let's see. So 7 is a prime number. Let me come back 1 second.
Remove a minus 1, right? Minus 1 will get a not prime number. Like count will be increased.
Yeah. So whatever Jagdish said is true. Prime number is a number divisible by 1 and itself. Correct. Okay. So here, is it clear for everyone? So the same program, can we do something like,
we can do it in factorial, similar to this prime, similar to prime.
Yeah, but that's okay. That's not complicated. And we'll see when that. Okay, so divisible by 1 and itself. Right. Okay. So this is a program to check if a given number is a prime number or not. Similarly, we can have many different programs for loop. Can you do the sum of first 10 natural numbers? Okay. Means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on till 10. Okay. Can you print the sum of 10 natural numbers? Here what will be the logic? Int I equal to 0 till 10 I plus plus some variable also we have to take. Sum is equal to sum plus I. Correct. So this is an assignment. Fine. Are there any other programs that we can try now? In for loop, do while loop.
Fibonacci series.
Yeah. Using?
Fibonacci series by using the for loop.
Okay. So any loop we can use. Okay. But for is the most sorted group because initialization is also inside. Yeah. What is Fibonacci series? 1 and then 1, right? Right. So we every number is an addition of before two numbers. That is the Fibonacci series. Okay, so what is the third number? 1 plus 1, 2. And again, what is the next number? Sum of the before two numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3.
3,
After that,
5,
2 plus 3. Before two numbers addition is 5. And
5,
again,
8,
5 plus 3 is 8.
8,
And
8,
then,
13, 21.
13,
yeah,
21,
21, 34.
yeah, something like this. Okay.
34, 55.
So and so on like this. Okay, they may ask you like print first 5 numbers or print Fibonacci series till the number 55. Okay, based upon that, you need to print the numbers. So what case shall we take now? Yes. Okay, what will be the variables now?
int
Int?
n1,
You said
n1
n1,
is equal to
n2. What are the n1 and n2? The initial two numbers. Okay, so we can initialize them here itself. Yeah, 0 is there. It has been very long time.
0 plus 1, 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2.
Correct, correct. 0 and then 1.
N2 is equal to 1.
Hmm.
N3 is equal to nothing.
You mean sum?
0, 0. N3.
Okay. What does n3 represent?
Like we are going to swap the two numbers.
Okay.
Like if you get
Like
one,
a temporary
swap,
variable. Yes,
yes.
understood. Yeah. Then?
Semicolon.
Okay.
For
I.
int I is equal to 1.
Is it 1 only? Okay, whatever.
Yes,
Yeah.
I is less than
Hmm.
I is less than 5. Less than or equal to 5.
I is less than or equal to 5.
I plus plus.
Okay.
So open the curly braces. So inside n3 is equal to n1 plus n2. System.out.println sy control space n3. So we are going to print the n3.
Okay.
So we are going to swap the things. So like n1 is equal to n2. So inside the n2 we are going to swap into the n1. So n2 is equal to n3. So inside the n3 we are going to swap into n2.
Correct.
Semicolon.
Okay. And here we can also have one more out.
Hello. Acha, sure. Okay, sure. Thank you.
All right. So let's execute. We want till 55, right? Okay. So here, can I give the condition here as n3 less than or equal to 55? y is, then we have to okay, so this is the condition. So the loop will continue till the value is less than 55. We'll say the value 34. If I say then 55 is entry value. Why is it not working when we give it is equal to 55? It should print, right? When n3 is equal to 55, it should work, right? Why is it not printing? N3 is less than or equal.
We have used I is
N3
equal to 1.
55. Okay, all right.
Similar,
So
like
when n3 is
less than or equal
less
to
than 55, it is 34. Okay. So for one last time, it is going to,
this one.
I mean, it will update, right? 34 plus 21 and then print 55. Understood, everyone? If anyone is not clear, I'll tell again. Not so frequently, but it is also one of the interview questions.
We are using initialization as I is equal to 1 I plus plus, right?
Yes, yes.
We
But
are not
condition is
increasing.
different.
Yeah.
Condition we are not checking for I. We are checking for n3 value, the value that we are printing. We can do like this also. We can also have, for example, here itself.
So in this case, we no need to write I plus plus, right? Why need? What is the need
For iteration,
for it? Achha.
n3 equal to 0, comma, okay, 2. Okay, but we can initialize 2 values also. Okay, so like this, we can initialize 2 values also inside the for loop. I have initialized I and n3. I have just declared the above step. Okay. Okay. Then another program. Can we do some simple one like printing a pyramid? Pyramid stars actually. Okay. So which will print star. I will have a required. Okay, so here we are going to see something called as nested for loop. Okay, this is nothing but we are going to have a for loop inside a for loop. Okay, for example, for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus, and we'll have some statements, right? Or else without statements also. I'm having another variable. Okay, colon are not declaring inside j. Okay. I is equal, j is equal to again 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Okay. So this is how a nested for loop looks like. Here you can have any number of statements, either 1 or 2 or how much ever. Right. So what I want to do is I want to print some star, okay, to form a pyramid, for example, like this. Okay, this line I'll print star. In the second line, I will have a star, space, star. In the third line, I'll have star, space, star, space, star. If you observe here, for one star, there is no space. Okay, two stars, 2 minus 1. Okay, one space is given. And then for 3 stars, we are giving space twice, 1 and 2. For 3 stars, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 times it is coming. So for this pattern to repeat, what are we doing here? So here, inside the for loop for j variable, we are giving a star. And then okay, so here we are giving a star. Now we are also supposed to print space, right? Okay. That. Okay, here I'm giving it. Actually, space we have to give here itself with star, and then here we'll give a new line. This system.out.println is to print the star. I mean the lines of star, the line having the star and space in a different line. Okay, let's see how it goes. So the basic function of okay. So see here, it is separated, right? Now if I give without ln, we are only trying to differentiate which one is okay.
No double quotes
No,
here inside the print.
let's see. Okay.
And that should now it is correct.
Okay. So what we are doing first, initially we are printing star. Okay. So for every line, like if I is equal to 1, in that case it is only printing 1. J is equal to 1. Is it I only? Yeah. J is always less than or equal to I. So J can loop only once. And it can loop twice when J in the second time when it is updated to I equal to I plus 1, I equal to 2. I equal to 2 case, again it will come into the for loop, then it is going to print twice the stars. And again going to the new line, after finishing the for loop, it will go into the second line, and then it will print this for 3 times when I equal to 3. Like that it is going to print. So you write a program for printing these star, pyramid of stars invertedly. Inverted in the sense like this. So here it will be a star, space, star. star. Okay, you have to change the variables declarations here. Okay, the loopings and all. I mean, the first loop will be the same, but the second loop, in the case of second loop, you have to give j equal to the biggest number. Yeah.
J is equal to 5.
Yeah.
J
So that
J
is an
greater-
that is an assignment program. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Any other programs? Like that, you can also try for outputs. Yes, you have to use your, I mean, whatever you have learned in loop, try that and try to print this program or this pattern of output. So there are numbers 1, 2, 3. So you have to print 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, like combinations kind of. Two space 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 11, 2, 2, 1, 2, space 2, space 2, 3, like this. Output should come something like this. Okay. This also will have for loops only, but no need of any special statement like for the outer loop. Okay. Only for the inner loop, you may have to print the value. That is the hint for printing this output. And they're all simple for loops only. Try with different combinations, it will come. Okay. Little modifications here will bring it. Okay. I would say one modification in the same, this nested for loops, two nested for loops. So clear? So I want to know if anyone is revising the concepts once they are all learned here. No. So what is the error here? Why is it showing red here? This is belongs to this. And then, can someone help? What is the error that is shown here?
We should use the curly
Okay.
brace.
No, not curly brace. Here there was a star and slash. After removing that, error went away. Okay. Thank you. So today's assignments are sum of numbers from 1 to 100. One is this. Next one is what? An inverted pyramid using nested for loop. Okay. Yeah. So assignments, why is everyone not sending the assignment? I will not do anything with your assignments, your hard work. That is only for your sake, so that you will practice and you will remember it. Right? Assignments are generally what I didn't teach in the class, right? What we didn't see in the class. And few assignments I have seen, they are very well written, but there can be few changes that can be made, like writing the same system dot out dot println and breaks in the same line, or the statements in the same line. Okay. Generally, a switch, as we know, the syntax is like this, right? Yes. So for each, we'll see later when array constraints are built. Okay, we have another kind of group called as for each, which we'll see later. Example, C is equal to A plus B. And here itself, another statement should come. Okay, this is how we write. And then case will be next case. Or any, yeah, something like this. Okay. And any other doubts? Last few minutes? Or any programs that you want to discuss? There are few other programs that even Jagdish has given. I'll give one more of them as assignment from this conditional statement. To check whether a number is divisible by a given number. Divisible by say 5. Okay. And there are certain conditions. Divisible by 5, you have to check. And then three and 5. Something like this. Okay. So using the conditional statement. And one more program is also a repetitive one, and it will be asked actually. A program, check whether the character is vowel or not. Vowel or consonant. Yeah, do this, it will be good for practice. Okay, so these 4 programs will be for your assignment. Fine. Yes, no.
Digit.
Where?
Digit in last line, last.
Yeah,
digit.
number or digit, both are the same, right? Number or digit.
Number and digit.
Yeah. Okay. So these will be the assignments I'll be posting them. Okay, here ends
Okay.
our class. Yeah. Thank you. Anything else? Okay. I'll take it as no. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you all. Bye.
Bye.